Hello, my beautiful people. I had a request to do a wee box unboxing, which I have to tell you, I did not do an unboxing when I first opened it. So I have seen what's in it, but it was all together. So, because there's somebody who likes to see the wee box, and apparently I'm the only person who does a wee box unboxing. Um, so let me show you. There's stuff stuck to it. Hold on. What's going on over here? All right. So, WeBox is a Scottish subscription box. Most of my boxes that I get are either related to herbs or they are related to spiritual stuff. But WeBox is the box that I've been getting the longest because, you know, I play the bagpipes and I'm Scottish. So the WeBox always comes with a little booklet that explains everything that's in it. It also has some like really interesting fun stuff. It has like different pictures, and I journal and I do scrapbook journaling, so a lot of times I will cut those out, but there's always really interesting articles. I'm really interested to read this one. I haven't gotten to it about the Hebridean Islands because my favorite island and the island that I went to for my 50th birthday, Iona, is in the Inner Hebrides. So I'm excited. So one of the things I love about WeBox is that they pack everything in newspaper, which I love because like I get a lot of subscription boxes and they all have the filler paper in, and I just think this is awesome because it's recycling, it's upcycling. And also I get to see what the news is in Scotland, so that's pretty awesome. I don't get to read full articles. One of these days I'm hoping they send me a full paper. That would be awesome if they sent me the whole newspaper or part, like a whole section of a newspaper so I could see an article. They have sent me stickers because what you can't see there's that is usually held together with a sticker. And I had done one of these videos and I had sent it to them. And in the next box, they had sent me a bunch of stickers, which then I passed out to the pipe band so that we could all put the stickers on our pipe cases. So, oh wait, it's here. I don't know if I can peel it off, but it's a little thistle. See if I can peel it off so you can see it. So this is the little sticker. So they sent me stickers, and I love WeBox. Sometimes some boxes are better than others just because of interest. So you know, like I love Robert Burns, so you know, I'm an English professor, so I'm all into, and I always do the Immortal Memory every year, so I like that kind of box. Sometimes I do an Outlander box. I don't watch Outlander. Everybody thinks I should, but I don't have a lot of time to watch TV, so I don't watch Outlander. So the theme of this box is a focus on the islands, I think. I think that's what the theme is going to be. And all of the things in the box are from small businesses. And if you watch the channel, you know I love small businesses. So there is usually a cookie of some kind or some kind of snack, which is really why I get this box, because these are heather honey shortbreads from the Hebridean Baker. So I can't wait to crack into these bad boys. Just telling you. It's going to be delicious. Then we have Flower of the Hebrides brooch. So that's really pretty. That's handmade. And what's great is you get they usually have like a little discount from whatever business they contract with. So this is really cool and actually matches two of my kilts. So I might do something with that with my kilt. And then we have a really pretty necklace, and I don't know if you can see. I will take it out. So this is, I learned when I was in Scotland that I can't pronounce anything Scottish, but it comes with like a little wee book, which the print is really small, and I am really old, so I can't really see what it says, but there's a necklace that comes with it. And if you watch my runestone readings, you know that I have two stones for my own, one that I picked from the beach and one that I purchased in the store. And I hope to go back in April for 2 weeks to do some chilling and get some more rocks. All right, and then this is a tea towel, which is actually going to go up here in the office, and it's got Jura, which is for my pipe band mates. I've got them Jura whiskey, which you can only get in Scotland. But what I love about it is that it has a Celtic cross on it. So this will go up here in the office somewhere. And I figure out where to put it. And then they always send like something extra. They always send something. I don't know what this is. I don't think it's anything. I think it's just a base. Yeah, that's just a base. They always send like something a little extra, something like they might have had extra from another box. So, so this is a little wee piece of Scotland, and it's got a little poem on the back, and I'm assuming it's either part of a caber or I have no idea like what's in it, but that was like my little extra thing. So I think that's different for everybody. So, you know, do I think other boxes, like, you know, when you get a flask and you get like a really big item, you know, that it feels bigger, but, you know, the jewelry I'm sure cost a lot. And I'm sure that, you know, the tapestry costs something too. So, you know, like, I think, you know, some months you feel like you get more because you're getting bigger things. They did this thing where every month you got a Harris Tweed thing, which anytime I get Harris Tweed, I get all kinds of excited. And then you got like it was a cheese set. So you got you got like a knife and a little fork. And I mean, I cut the cheese with whatever's available. Not that fancy. But it was still really, really pretty. And then, of course, I love the Harris Tweed that comes with it. So that's awesome. So not overly excited by this month's box, but not disappointed either. Still love my subscription. Will still stick with it. And so that's what I got. I am wishing you all the very best in light and love. And I will see you later. Be well. Bye-bye.